Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, I am here with another review of the expert advisor. So before giving the review, so first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. So guys, you can see in the early session of the day, we have seen the downward trend on Euro USD. You can see the further we have seen a decline. And yesterday, this expert advisor has taken sell positions, and today again it has taken sell positions. And now I'm going to talk about the drop that we have seen of Euro USD. And if you look at my record starting from 24 January 2020, first of all, this is the live Exness Real 11 account, and this is not a demo account. So guys, you can see sell positions is taken and with consistent profits. Euro USD sell, again sell, again sell, again sell, and the 12.50 the profits in a range. Okay, then sell position was taken on Euro Canadian dollar. I'm going to take you towards the Euro Canadian dollar. You can see it was basically moved up a couple of days ago, and then we have seen the drop yesterday, and throughout the day the market went down, and it has taken sell positions today on Euro Canadian dollar too. And mostly positions that it has taken was in favor of Euro USD sell position. Okay, then buy and then buy. It seems like now expert advisor is changing its directions, because I'm going to take you towards Euro USD chart, and now I'm going to take you towards the trades that are active right now. And you can see 16.50 is going the loss right now. Okay, now guys, one more thing about this expert advisor. I'm going to talk about the technical analysis here. If you look at the if you look at the previous close of the candle is closed as a hammer. So previously we have the downward trend on Euro USD, and the hammer is appeared, which is a sign of a trend reversal. And now look, expert advisor has started to change its direction from sell to bullish. So it's turning into the buy positions right now. The positions that are taken at my end are buy, and the positions that the last positions that it closed at my end were in the favor of sell positions. So guys, overall going perfectly fine with everything right now. And if we go further down, you can see sell positions were taken, and mostly the sell position was taken. And now guys, you can see the profit has reached to 8160, and the deposit was 29544. So guys, also I'm going to take you towards the I'm going to talk about this, because this is very important for you to understand. This is very important to understand for the newcomers. When the hammer starts to appear, then it's a possibility. It's nothing 100% sure in the forex market, but it's the possibility that the market can change its direction. And I think that is why the Euro USD buy positions are taken by the expert advisor. You can see the expert advisor is here, but I keep my trading system also on with it, so that I can see where I have to use it, where I have to stop it. Sometimes I stop it because if it reaches to the oversold levels of my trading system, then I sometimes stop that that expert advisor. So overall guys, if you keep it 24 hours phone on, this is also fine, but still there are chances that you can make money. That's not a problem, because it's working on various accounts, and it's going in a fine manner. So overall guys, hopefully it will make some recovery on Euro USD now, and the profits that we have made till now I have already shown you, and we have profited 8160.28 till now. So guys, this is all about the expert advisor. And guys, if you are looking to get this expert advisor, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators that I have shown you on other charts, if you are interested in getting the forex trading lessons from my side, or if you are interested in Skype one-to-one live coaching, then for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.